Good morning, everyone. Hi, so I'm Sadiq Khan, I'm the Mayor of London. Keen to come and speak to you, but the bad news is there's cameras everywhere. I don't know.
Working families and families that can't afford, the huge extortionate private rents.
Yeah.
And that's something's got to be done about that.
I asked City Hall officials 3 weeks ago to do an audit of what's happening in the private rental market and in relation to plans the previous mayor had to improve the quality of private accommodation. And the bad news is this: the previous mayor had a target of 100,000 landlords being accredited by this stage. I'm afraid less than 2,000 have. That's less than 2%. And that's one of the reasons why we heard some of the stories I did today. So here's my plan. I want to make sure there are far more genuinely affordable homes to buy and rent built in London. I'm going to ensure there's a public database of bad landlords who are named and shamed, so prospective tenants know who bad landlords are and they can avoid them. But also I'm going to work with local authorities to make sure more landlords are licensed. That will improve the quality of properties that private landlords give out to tenants. And it's really important we not simply make it more secure, but also more affordable to rent in London. At the moment, the government's planning to have a private database of rogue landlords. I'm saying make it public. So if you're a tenant, you can go to the website, you can type in the name of the prospective landlord and see for yourself whether he or she's got a bad record. If they have, you can avoid them. Most landlords are good landlords, some aren't. Most letting agents and estate agents would think they do a good job, some don't. What we need to do is stop letting agents ripping off tenants. We hear stories about letting agents, I just heard of one charging a tenant £700. By the way, many of them also charge a landlord a fee as well, and they provide a poor service or no service at all. One of the things we want to do also is set up a not-for-profit letting agency across London. So you as a tenant can come to a not-for-profit letting agency rather than being ripped off by these letting agents as well. The problem is, you see, Boris Johnson left the cupboard bare. One of the other things that we've uncovered is that last year, the fewest number of affordable homes are built since records began, around 4,000. What's even more worrying is only 13% of those applications that have been given permission, only 13% are for affordable homes. And it takes at least 2 to 3 years for those applications that have been given permission to come through the pipeline. So my worry is, not only do we not have enough genuinely affordable homes built last year, those homes coming through the pipeline are going to be only 13% affordable, and so it makes my task even more difficult. We can't fix this overnight, but I'm determined to fix it.